What is going on, YouTube? Tom here, and it's been a while since I've actually done just a simple little driving vlog like this. In fact, today I'm on my phone. I didn't even feel like dragging out one of my big cameras, going through all the hassle of a setup. So, it's kind of what I used to do with this channel. It's kind of the returning to roots, you can say, with this channel. Today, I wanted to talk about the new Supra, the 2020 Supra, as far as we know. So, it has yet to officially be revealed, but Toyota is basically putting out a lot of literature and a lot of materials, even ads, basically saying it's out. In fact, they even let Road and Track drive it. So basically, it's confirmed. I mean, it's that beyond a reasonable doubt, it is confirmed now. So, the problem is, according to Road and Track, it's clearly not a 2019 model since it's almost the end of 2018. You know, end of the fiscal year 2018 it's coming. Their 2019's already on the lot. This car is still not out of camouflage. So it's a 2020 more than likely. We don't know for sure when it's going to be officially revealed, as in without camouflage, because it's kind of already revealed. But all we know is it is a 2020 model year car. Now, Road and Track got to drive it in camouflage, even on the exterior and interior. According to this article, and I'll post a link below to that, a lot of stuff was covered up even on the interior. We don't even know what kind of infotainment it'll get. Will it get Toyota Entune or one of the various BMW systems? We don't know. The drive basically said it confirmed what we all originally knew. I was holding on to hope that it wasn't true, but unfortunately it is basically a rebadged BMW Z4. The good news about the horsepower rating is that when they said originally that it would have 300, that a lot of people were disappointed, myself included. The good news is they said it does not feel like 300, it actually feels closer to like 340, could even be as high as 380, according to some of the rumors. So, if that's the case, that's a good bit of news in my opinion, because that car will not get 300. Now, my first thoughts on that are, because it'll probably be priced real high, like in the mid-40s. I, of course, own a Mustang GT. A lot of people probably will think that's why I'm immediately going to compare it to the Mustang, because I own one, but it's also because the Mustang's the best-selling sports car in the world right now, and this is a $40,000 car or so. Probably could go under. I know everyone and their brother's like, oh, I know a guy who just got one for 31 something. And you can go as high as the mid-50s, so we'll just say 40, and it's a little bit, the Supra's a little bit more than a Mustang, base for base. But overall, 40s is not a bad price to pay. But 300 horsepower for $40,000 when there's cars that well eclipse that, it's a little bit high. We still don't know the official price, but I'm still expecting around that. I'm expecting a drop when the supposed 2-liter turbo comes out, the 4-cylinder turbo, probably into the mid-30s. Obviously, if they go any cheaper, it would start to have internal competition with the 86/BRZ, although realistically, that car needs a price drop as well. Now, the unfortunate truth is the car at the moment is most likely to go on sale with an automatic only. There is a possibility that they keep hinting at that it might get a manual later. Hopefully that's true, because myself included, I love manuals. There's something about shifting your own gears that's a lot more fun than trying to let the automatic do the job for you. So I personally hope the Supra ends up getting a manual, just because it'd make it a lot more fun to drive if it does in fact get a manual. Now, of course, I hinted earlier on infotainment, because that was another big mystery, that's something else they kept in camouflage. But that's something else that's a good question for me, because my girlfriend has a 2018 Camry with Entune. Entune is garbage. It's probably the worst system ever designed. In fact, her car doesn't even work. So, Toyota in certain models is doing Apple CarPlay, not Android Auto. BMW does the same thing. It's a step in the right direction, but I have Android Auto in my Mustang, and I freaking love it. So hopefully Toyota will take a hint and eventually will actually go to Android Auto. My bet is they probably changed out the BMW system for the Toyota Entune. Maybe they finally have improved it for this car. I don't know, but I think it's crap, personally. But that was something they kept hidden. It's kind of like it's the longest we've had to wait for a car to be revealed. And the problem is, I just feel like when it finally comes out, the hype just won't be there, since we already know everything about it now. And of course, by the time it finally comes out, you know, we're already going to have everything just sort of revealed that we knew. In fact, you know, now the car is out in camouflage. It's out being driven. They're letting journalists drive it. So I predict pretty soon we'll finally get the real car. It's just like, dear Toyota, why make someone wait that long? Because at this point, you've shot yourself in the foot with it. On top of that, it being a BMW car. Supposedly, they want to do a new Celica as a completely in-house Toyota design. That was one of the most recent rumors I heard. And flipping through articles the other day. Hopefully that's true, because I would love it if they just did a uniquely Toyota design. No, none of this Subaru, BMW crap. Give me something that has the unique Toyota flavor, because that would be like Ford co-developing the Mustang with, name a company, Jaguar or something. It wouldn't be the Mustang anymore. It would be something else. So I'm still permanently disappointed with this new Supra. But, oh well, at least we finally have some information. I finally have some concrete data to be disappointed with. No more disappointed with the rumors, now I can be disappointed with the real thing. But anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you all think of this new Supra. Is anyone else as disappointed as me, or is it just me that's that disappointed? Because I want to hear about everyone's opinions on this car, because so far, Toyota dealers are excited, but I think that's about it. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Help this channel grow, because that helps me out a lot. Anyway, take care, have a good day.